Okay, now we are going to show you how to operate a single beam UV spectrophotometer.
Switch on the power switch of the instrument. Upon switch on of the instrument, the system will do its component check as stated over here. It will take a few minutes. Okay, stabilize the machine for about 10 minutes before measurements. Okay, after stabilizing the instrument for about 10 minutes, okay, the main menu will actually stated over here. There are 4 options of measurement modes: photometric, spectrum, quantitation, etc. Okay, once the system has been stabilized, okay, select spectrum mode by pressing 2 to do baseline correction. Okay, so before we do baseline correction, we have to make sure that all the parameters are set according to the SOP. Okay, in this case, our SOP said the measurement mode should be in absorbance, so we will go to item number 1, press 1, select absorbance. Okay, you can play with this arrow here to actually select your items. Okay, ABS in this case. Okay, after you have done that, okay, the wavelength that we are going to scan through is actually from 800, so we will select 2, okay, to edit the wavelength range. 800, okay, enter, to 190. Okay, then we will key in 190. Okay, after which, okay, the recording range will be 0 absorbance to 1 ABS. Okay, so we will have to change this as well. Okay, 0, enter, okay, 1. Okay, for scanning speed, we will want it to be fast, so we will also need to change this. So we will select item number 4 and we will play with the arrow, select fast, enter. Okay, number of scans will be 1, display mode will be in overlay, as overlay. So you will have to go item number 6, it will go to the selection overlay. Once done, okay, insert in your cuvettes, okay, containing blank, okay, which is in this case RO water. Okay, before baseline correction, we have to prepare a cuvette containing RO water. Okay, always hold your cuvette on the rough side. Okay, after you have done that, okay, wipe the smooth surface, the clear surface, okay, and ensure there's no bubble in the cuvette. Okay, no bubble in the cuvette. Slot in your cuvette into the sample compartment. Okay, close the sample compartment and go to baseline correction, which is F1. Okay, press F1. Okay, after baseline correction is done, okay, it will return back to this window page. Okay, once done, if the protocol does not state the measurement wavelength, you will need to find your lambda max value for that particular sample. Okay, so in this case, let's say we are not given the wavelength for measurement. To do lambda max, basically to find out what is the lambda max for your compound, you will have to use your standard solution, which, let's say in this case I have 3 standard solutions here. I will choose the middle range concentration of your range of standards that you have prepared, okay, which is in this case 5000 ppm standard solutions, okay, of copper sulfate. Okay, fill up the 5000 ppm standard solution into the cuvette, hold the cuvette on a rough surface, same thing. Okay, wipe the surface white the clear transparent surface using a clean white. Okay, using a clean white. Okay, make sure there's no bubble. Make sure there's no grease at the outside of the cuvette. After which, slot into the sample compartment, and right now you will press start. Okay, after you have put in your 5000 ppm standard into the sample compartment, you will press start to do the scanning of the spectrum. Okay, once the baseline correction, not baseline, but the scan has been done, okay, you can go to F2 peak, okay, peak, and then it will show you a table stating the absorbance for the respective peak the wavelength where there is actually absorbance. So basically in this case we will look at the highest absorbance value. Out of the 3 absorbance reading here, 0.127 is the highest absorbance reading. The corresponding wavelength will be 629. Therefore, this will be your lambda max value.